Hey guys, welcome to back to the channel, or to the channel. But today is episode 3 of our Pearson Family Arcade Challenge. Today is Nitro Trucks. If you don't know what it is the racing game in the arcade. We are each going to go one at a time, doing the same track, and see who has the best time and the best place. So that should be fun. And we did lose the footage of the first one, which was my mom going. She did very good. She got 3rd place. And so just keep that in mind. Also, at the end of the series, I would like you to tell me down below in the comment section who you thought won out of all the games. That would be air hockey, skee ball, nitro trucks. We're gonna do motorcycle racing at one point, probably next episode. But so I would just like to see some audience input on that, and I hope you enjoy.
Right, now Foof is gonna try this. Can she take better than 3rd place? I don't know. Tall order. Let's see.
Which track was it?
The Bang Pow.
Yep.
Bang Pow. Choose a truck.
Do I want to go stream truck, or let's do this one?
Upgrade truck. Nitro trucks. Rev it up for race day.
And she's off. Strong start coming out around the first turn. Oh, stay with the turn. There you go. Get your nitro boost.
I missed it.
All right. You missed the nitro boost. That's okay. Now you just ram some people. That's right. Get them. Get it done. Boogity. Oh, did she take any damage? Can she fix herself? Fix yourself before you wreck yourself. Oh, not sure that we'll let her drive our car when she's ready.
I got she flew over top of that truck. There we go. Now we're doing some nice good turns. Making it smooth through the turns is where you really make up your time.
I'm in second.
Is she gonna do it?
Woo!
I can't believe that! Woo!
Took the win.
Alright. Bang pow. Let's see if he can do better than 1st place. Actually, I think if he does come in 1st place, we're going to see if he can beat 153. Alright? Because my time was 153.266. I don't know, but you came in 3rd. So, I mean, he could do worse than all of us, honestly. You think you look cool?
Welcome to Nitro Trucks. It's looking slick out there today.
I will say I kind of like this one more than Dirty Driving, except for the fact that it's a button instead of a lever. I will say, though, the ram, it doesn't just help you like ram other players, it helps you get a little speed boost. Doesn't it? Pretty clean driving. I mean, he has been driving the longest out of all of us because he's older, but you know. does kind of have the advantage going last. He knows all the tips and tricks that we've been using. Final lap coming up. Going into the final lap in 5th place. He's trying to beat 153.266. No, this is not Paradise City. Oh, 2nd place.
So close.
You'll beat my time even in 2nd place. Wow. But you got 2nd, so I mean. Plus, but Mommy, you went first, so you had a disadvantage. I hope you enjoyed the video. That was really fun. In case you let me know down below who you thought won. But in case you didn't know, if you're just joining the channel, I do a Hyper Pro class, which is tumbling, and I've been trying to video for myself and as entertainment for you guys my progression through new tricks that I've always been afraid to, when I am ready, get to the point and to learn them. So far I have back handspring and front tuck. It's been a while since first back handspring, so in case you don't remember, go back to that video. I believe it was training my dog. It might not be, but just go back and watch through all the videos anyway, if you haven't already. And so today is going to be the 2nd video on the back handspring. I just want to really see my improvement over the way and give you some entertainment as well. So that will be right after this. But I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Jump over the mat. Get your shoulders all the way up there. There we go.